why don't I just try this stuff? Like, I'm drinking Mountain Dews like crazy, energy drinks, coffee. Like, I need what they're saying, that the benefits that they're getting. I need it, so why not? So I tried the products, blown away day one. The energy was there. I didn't drink the Mountain Dews. I didn't drink the coffee. I was like, this is crazy. Like, why is this happening? The best part for me though, more than the energy, was the sleep. I was a very light sleeper prior to using Thrive, and that first night, I slept. I woke up in the morning and I was like, oh my God, I slept the whole night through and I feel so refreshed. Energy all day yesterday, no caffeine, no Cokes, no Mountain Dews. Slept like a baby, waking up feeling so good. So I just kept taking the products, and the benefits that I was feeling, I couldn't stop talking about them to people, and my business exploded. And the reason why my business exploded was because I was coachable, right? The people that brought me in said, Jason, all we wanted you to do is tell people what's happening to you. So if you can do that, that's gonna spark their interest. Then this is what you need to do next. Refer them to us. We're gonna tell them our story, right? So we have a real simple formula that we use. So that's how we exploded the business, sparking the interest, third-party validation, and then we literally say, okay, you've heard her story, you've heard my story. Would you like to try it for 30 days? Are you open to doing that? And that's how my business exploded.